Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Xbox controller on a PlayStation 4 console with the Cronus Zen device, and we will cover the essential steps to get you set up quickly. First, you will need your Cronus Zen device, your Xbox controller, and your PlayStation 4 console. We will also utilize the Zen Studio software on a personal computer for initial configuration. This powerful adapter unlocks cross-platform play, enhancing your overall gaming experience significantly. It ensures seamless compatibility, so let's get started. Begin by connecting the small micro USB cable from your Cronus Zen's PROG port directly to your personal computer. Next, take a second micro USB cable and connect it from the Zen's console port to an available USB port on your PlayStation 4. Finally, connect your Xbox controller to one of the Cronus Zen's 3-input USB ports, usually a 1, using its standard USB cable. Double-check all these connections to ensure they are secure and properly seated. Now, download and install the most current version of the Zen Studio software onto your personal computer from the official Cronus Zen website. Once installed, launch Zen Studio. It should automatically recognize your connected Cronus Zen device. Head over to the Programmer tab and drag a PlayStation 4 game pack or a specific script to one of the available memory slots on your Zen. Finish by clicking Program Device to upload this configuration directly to your Cronus Zen for use with your console. With the Cronus Zen now programmed, disconnect it from your personal computer, but keep it connected to your PlayStation 4. Power on your PlayStation 4 console and launch any game you wish to play. Your Xbox controller should now be fully recognized and functional, allowing you to navigate menus and play games seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, simply try power cycling both your Cronus Zen and the PlayStation 4, and always ensure all cables are securely connected. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.